Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Siman Discarding Bjorn once again. So I'm here at SM Val EV charging station. There you go. It's for free for those who are still close-minded. Okay, if you really want to be a practical, economical, and don't want to waste money just for your gas, but instead you add it up on your ideal EV car. Here it is. Then you can just roam around or search around and use the Ebro app where you can find those free EV charging stations. It's for free, and with that given free charge that can reach up to 400 to 500 kilometers. Okay, isn't that very amusing and very practical and economical, and you will be saving money. Okay, instead you can invest that money on your condos and everything, or even with stocks, okay, so that it will compound. Okay, there you go. I'm charging my EV right now. I'm not bragging. This is not a luxury car. It's not BMW or Mercedes-Benz, but for me it's practicality car. Okay, it's your dreams. Be ready. So ayan guys, no? It is for free. Ayaw mo ba for free? Actually, it's not exactly free. Ito, meron akong parking fee na 40 pesos. Brought to you by SM. And it's only good for 3 hours. However, EMAX 7 can be charged of only 1 hour. 1 hour more or less. More or less 1 hour lang siya. Since these are all fast charger. Ganon kabilis. For this charging station sa SM Val, it's good for 3 hours. Okay, there you go. There's a time limit only for 3 hours. My car, it is all chargeable for only up to 1 hour, so it's not a matter, it's not a lot of time. Okay, we can save money, we can save time. Okay, and we can put it in a bank. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Siman Discarding Bjorn. Dahil sa buhay dapat madiskarte ka.